Hello friends, I want to show you how to use Pinki to a reseller. So first of all, you need to put the link like this pinky.live. This is the URL for reseller link. Okay, here put the username like I put my own, and after password, and here is captcha. So you need to put this captcha also, PSD. Okay, after you see this like this page, see here's nothing showing. uh, don't be confused. See, here is three dot. Click here and select the dashboard. First you check this balance. Here is total balance and available balance. Okay, there is 5, total balance 5, so I can make 5 pin, so that's mean available balance. Okay, so how to make accounts, like click again three dot and select the add VPN option. Okay, then click again here and quickly click again here. Okay, add VPN again. So see here, VPN account added successfully. See, here is the like this is user after hash, this is the password. Okay, so where you find this account if you again login. So here is the VPN account option, so here you will be find the user. Okay, thanks for watching my video.